Kailangan ba talaga ng toner? Cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, kailangan ba talagang may toner sa skincare routine? The simple answer is, hindi siya required for everyone. Toner is optional. Pero ibig sabihin ba nito na wala nang silbi ang toner? Hindi rin. Ang toner ay isang liquid skincare product na ginagamit usually after cleansing at before serum or moisturizer. At depende sa formulation, iba-iba rin ang purpose nito. May iba't ibang types of toner. Number 1, hydrating toner. Design ito para magbigay ng additional hydration at makatulong na maging komportable ang skin after cleansing. Looks for hydrating ingredient such as glycerin, hyaluronic acid, or panthenol, depending on the formula. Number 2, soothing toner. Ito naman ay formulated para makatulong sa calm and soothe the skin. Useful ito especially kung gusto mo ng gentle, comforting step. But always check the ingredients if sensitive ang skin mo. Number 3, exfoliating toner. Ito ang toner na maaring may ingredient such as AHA or BHA, which help exfoliate dead skin cell and can address concerns such as rough texture or clogged pores. Pero dahil exfoliating product ito, hindi ibig sabihin na kailangan gamitin everyday. Overusing exfoliating can cause dryness or irritation. At tandaan, hindi lahat ng toner ay pare-pareho. Yung traditional idea na kailangan ng toner para tanggalin ang natitirang dumi o para isara ang pores is not a good reason by itself to add one. Kung maayos ang cleansing mo, hindi kailangan ng toner para lang masabing malinis ang mukha. At hindi rin literal na nag-o-open at nag-close ang pores na parang pinto. So, kailangan mo ba ng toner? If your basic routine is always working, cleanser, moisturizer, at sunscreen sa umaga, you don't necessarily need one. Pero kung gusto mo magdagdag ng hydration, soothing support, or targeted exfoliation, a properly chosen toner can be an optional additional step. Usually, ang order ay ganito. Cleanser first, then toner, serum, moisturizer, at sunscreen sa umaga. Tandaan, toner is optional, not essential. Hindi paramihan ng skincare steps ang goal. Piliin ang products based sa needs ng skin mo. Good skincare starts with understanding your skin. This is Jen. Follow my Amazon series for more practical skincare and beauty education. Thank you. See you. Bye.